Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to set App Lock on Android. App Lock on Android helps private apps such as messages, photos, banking, or social media. Some Android phones include a built-in app lock feature, while others may require a security app. The exact menu names can be vary by phone brand and Android version. To begin, unlock your Android phone and open the home screen. Go to the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and select Security, Privacy, or Biometrics. Look for App Lock, App Protection, or a similar option. Tap the App Lock feature to open it. Turn on App Lock if it is disabled. Create a PIN, pattern, or password when asked. Now go to the Unlock with Face. Here, toggle on or add fingerprint or face unlock if supported. Now go back, then view the list of installed apps. Choose the apps you want to lock, then turn on the lock switch beside each chosen app. Exit the settings menu after saving changes. Now, open one of the locked apps to test protection. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.